Looking to protect yourself on the road and capture every moment in crystal clear detail? Whether you're a daily commuter, Uber driver, or road trip enthusiast, finding the best dash cams 2025 can make all the difference. From 4K clarity to budget-friendly pics, today's top dash cams are smarter, sleeker, and more powerful than ever, offering features like front and rear coverage, night vision, voice control, and even car crash detection. In this video, we'll walk you through the 5 best dash cams you can get this year, including game changers like the vioffo, A329S, and Omber T1. All product links are in the description, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more real reviews from Best Reviews Tube. 7. Vantrue S1 Pro Dual 1440p Dash Cam Front and Rear Dash Camera W/2.7K Starvis 2 HDR Night Vision 5G Wi-Fi 60 FPS Optional Remote Live View GPS Voice Control 24/7 Parking Mode Support 512 GB max. Rounding out the list of the best dash cams 2025, the Vantrue S1 Pro delivers impressive dual-channel performance at a competitive value. It captures 2.7K front and 1440p rear video at 60 FPS, ensuring smooth, high-resolution footage. With Starvis 2 image sensors and HDR night vision, it delivers exceptional clarity in both bright and low-light conditions. The 5G Wi-Fi allows fast video transfers, while GPS logs your location and speed with precision. The S1 Pro includes voice control for hands-free operation and supports optional remote live view for added peace of mind when you're away from your car. The 24/7 parking mode uses buffered record. 6. Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam 4K plus 1080p dual channel 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p front inside rear 3-way triple car dash camera. The Vantrue N4 is a trusted veteran in the world of dash cams, and its refined performance keeps it firmly in the best dash cams 2025 list. Offering a 3-channel setup, it records in 1440p front and inside and 1080p in the rear, ensuring full coverage of your vehicle from all angles. This dash cam is perfect for families, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants reliable documentation on the road. Equipped with IR night vision, the camera performs well even in complete darkness, and the built-in GPS keeps track of your location and speed accurately. While it doesn't feature the latest Wi-Fi or voice control seen in newer models, it's 5. Vantrue E365.2K 360 degrees panoramic dash cam. For those seeking full 360 degrees panoramic protection, the Vantrue E360 is a revolutionary choice in the best dash cams 2025 list. Offering up to 5.2K resolution, dual Starvis 2 sensors, and 8 IR night vision LEDs, it captures the entire cabin and front in stunning clarity, even in total darkness. It includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, LTE support, a touchscreen interface, and buffered 24/7 parking mode for constant monitoring. This is the ideal solution for users who want a dash cam that sees and hears it all from every angle. Whether you're worried about road incidents, break-ins, or rideshare liabilities, the E360 sets the new gold standard for full view protection and tech-rich performance in 2025. Video 4.
quality
Vantrue N2X, specifically designed with rideshare Uber dash and cam Uber front drivers and inside. inside. The Tailored Vantrue for rideshare N2X and delivers professional high-performance drivers. dual-channel The Vantrue recording N2X and compact is one of the durable best unit. dash cams. It captures the front view in for 2.7K coverage, and the interior it records with exceptional in 2.5K using Starvis 2 sensors, 60 FPS and IR on front night vision, and 1080p perfect for for nighttime cabin shifts. Powered by At Starvis 2 sensors and HDR 60 IR night FPS vision for sharp footage day remains or smooth night. and With blur 5G Wi-Fi, even during built-in GPS, 5 GHz LTE Wi-Fi compatibility, and LTE and voice control support allow the for N2X brings convenience and high-tech, while GPS logs precise. It also includes a 24/7 voice commands and a user-friendly interface. 512 gigabytes of storage. This cam, its sleek design doesn't compromise on best dash cams of 2025 professionally or want extra protection for passengers and personal buffered parking mode. This is a top-tier dual dash security coverage with solid value and 512 gigabytes matched in quality. Vantrue 4 Pro. If you're looking for a premium triple channel setup in the Vantrue 4 Pro, the Vantrue triple channel B should be on your frontrunner in the best this advanced dash cam captures 4K. It features cutting-edge 1080p and 2 IMX 6 1080p rear videos simultaneously and plate picks, making it one of the most balanced, ensuring unmatched clarity in low light and backlit environments. It features 4K resolution up front, 78 1080p recording for the cabin and rear, HDR, ideal which together deliver stunning low-light voice control and Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and support for up to 512 gigabytes and fast 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi and future ready. Make usability designed for Uber, while 24-hour parking everyday drivers around-the-clock protection. Its 24-hour this camera is ideal for ultra-wide field of view and families security and long-haul commuters crystal clear road footage. The inclusion of buffered parking ensures nothing is a reliable, premium option capturing events seconds before and after 3-channel dash cams. The only draw, but that's a small price for total visibility. Pro. Buffered parking mode, mini dash support cam 1 terabyte compact. The Vantrue E1 Pro, the Vantrue E1 Pro, earning its place among the best dash cams of 2025 lineup. Cutting-edge with an impressive 4K resolution, it records in ultra-sharp 4K using this mini dash cam captures ultra-detailed footage day or ensuring crisp lights to HDR visibility. Even in its discrete design includes the built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS screen allow for built-in file transfers. While 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi ensures while the LTE support future-proof your setup. The E1 Pro also features 1.54-inch for IPS functionality, is and 24/7 buffered parking mode and voice control keeps your hands on the wheel. Its support for up to 24/7 buffered parking mode means you'll rarely captures incidents before and after whether you're driving daily or heading out on long full-time security. This dash cam delivers it supports up to 1 terabyte of storage. Small, which is ideal for those logging perfect for anyone searching needing best front extended footage retention. I've one redefines comprehensive vehicle surveillance with a true 360 degrees view, all sides capturing the front, the rear, sides, and interior simultaneously. As a powerhouse in the ideal for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone seeking complete situational awareness. With its this 4-channel dash cam records in 2.7K up front and 1080p on the other 3 lenses. It uses advanced Starvis 2 sensors for crisp image quality in both daylight and low-light conditions, aided by IR night vision for cabin clarity. Voice control enhances hands-free safety, while built-in Wi-Fi and GPS ensures smooth app integration and accurate route voice control. The 24-hour buffered parking mode offers proactive protection by recording before and after any detected motion or impact, the built-in Wi-Fi making it one of the best dash cams of 2025 for around-the-clock max support. With support for up to 512 gigabytes of storage, you won't miss crucial footage. Whether you're commuting daily or managing a fleet, the N5 delivers exceptional coverage. Excellent investment. The only downside, it's slightly bulkier than standard dash cams,